All right, so we'll roll in here. So we did the challenge yesterday with people who can't handle their heat, which is partially me because I can't handle the level of death that these two gentlemen can. So this is a much shorter video. If you didn't watch the first one, go ahead and watch it. But this is the world's hottest chocolate, which is insanely hot, unless your name is Steve.
So they say.
Or Kyle.
Or Kyle.
Only
So
Kyle
we're going to
out.
see if they actually suffer eating this, because Michael Crossman thinks you're going to die.
35 calories per piece. That ain't bad.
Good news. Very few calories. Bad news. Really, really hot.
Well, I mean,
To me. I'm not having any more. I did my penance with that crap yesterday.
No
so
sodium.
there's no salt. Well, you're going to have that in chickens in a minute, so
Yeah.
dive into it, gentlemen.
9 million SHU chili extract. But it's the last ingredient, so I mean,
oh, well, that makes it better.
it does.
Yeah.
Just only a little bit.
A little bit of 9 million.
Should we save a square for Marvin? Do you think Marvin will do it?
We could save 3 squares and we could eat 3 each. Does
There
that
you go.
sound reasonable?
Yep.
Yeah.
We eat 1 square each. These guys are going to eat 3 squares each. There you go.
You have the smaller one if you want?
Let it melt in
You
your
said you ain't
mouth.
been feeling good.
3 squares each. That's 3 times the amount that we ate.
Yeah.
It's hot.
Yeah.
I told you, it's tough.
It's in my throat now.
It melts right away. It's you definitely have melting right away. So let's run through. Like you can
Oh, I swallowed.
The whole thing?
No, just
Oh.
in general.
Uh-huh.
My throat burns.
Yeah.
My lungs burn a little bit.
I don't have that yet.
Wow. That is hot.
Okay.
So
We'll give you one. 'cause
Corey
Mark
didn't watch
gets
the
one.
video, so this is the world's hottest chocolate.
Just
You
take
just
one.
1 square's enough.
You really probably only need one.
Yep. Just let it melt in your mouth.
Yeah, don't chew.
Okay. Don't chew. Shit.
Did you chew it?
No.
No, but
burning my tongue.
he feels it.
I see you got your eyes watering. Oh man.
I've had that sinus drainage. It followed it right down into my lungs.
Uh-huh.
That's not even.
We had 3 apiece.
God, dude. Oh wow.
It is rough.
That's a little warm.
It is.
My eyes are watering.
Try not to swallow.
I'm already regretting.
I
just
think-
let this melt.
This is definitely worse than the toe of Satan because it's faster.
It's
is
way
faster.
faster than a toast Satan.
That being said, it's not as intense. I think the toe of Satan's worse because this is already gone.
Yeah.
You know, the cinnamon in the Torah Satan just really tears you up. But this is
I
like
actually have to
instant.
say
My lungs
Okay, it
hurt.
melted down.
I like
You're
this
kinda
more than
right.
the toe of Satan because again, this goes away after 30 seconds.
Wow.
I had the toe of Satan for 6 minutes or so, and he had it for like 12.
Yeah.
You can't have this in your mouth for 12 minutes. It goes away. And you still feel it for a few
Corey's
minutes.
still a normal human.
I need something to drink, man. I need something to drink.
Hey, welcome back to the office. He's been on site all day.
You still got jobs after this?
Oh.
No,
No.
no, I don't.
There you have it, folks. There's no doubt that this stuff is hot.
It's hot.
It's
Tastes
hot.
good.
Yeah, it's actually pretty good chocolate. It's
Actually-
really smooth.
The chocolate itself is really good.
The
It's-
warning label is bigger than the bar.
Yeah.
World's,
Do you feel ambushed, Corey?
Good God, yeah. The burn don't stop in your mouth, you know what I mean?
No.
It's got me.
All right.
Okay.
That's it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, send us hot things. And
We'll eat them.
Oh, yeah?
yeah.
No, we'll
You'll
try
get
'em.
very little reaction out of these guys. You get some reaction out of me and Corey, Michael, and my wife. Marvin, though. We got a couple Marvin's out sick today, so we'll see.
And
if
he'll
he
be
can-
out sick Wednesday, too, if he tries
we'll
it
get
tomorrow.
him Tuesday, and he'll be gone Wednesday again.
Yeah, it may kill him.
Water don't help.
Water don't.
No.
doesn't-
Water don't
it
help.
spreads the chocolate around.
It really
Thanks.
does. I'm regretting that too. Breathing don't help either.